back to another Oversized Operator video. Today we're going to be playing at CZ Airsoft in the Operation Viking Hammer game. If you guys want to go check out CZ Airsoft, I'll leave a link down in the description below so you guys can attend one of the events. Their next event is going to be March 23rd, 2019. If you guys want to come out and play a little Operation style game, come and check it out. It's a lot of fun. In this game mode, our objective is to flip a bunch of flags throughout the entire field. So this is one of the flags, and I flipped it over to our side. So my gun now being upgraded, I have a lot of range. My effective range is around 250 feet with 3 2-gram BBs. So I'm hitting right where those kids are, as you saw them running around in that little ravine there. I'm hitting them, but I just don't have great enough quality to show you guys.
Got one. Got one. Watch out, Jim.
They got the left side of the house. We're getting a crossfire.
Yeah, they're coming at the house.
That's this one.
Hit.